How to build a highly dynamic business model. Building a high-performing and dynamic business model is critical for success in today's fast-paced and competitive business landscape. In this article, we will explore several key strategies for building a business model with high adaptability and resilience. Focus on customer needs. Focusing on customer needs is essential for building a business model that is responsive to changing market conditions and customer preferences. This can involve conducting market research, gathering customer feedback, and using customer insights to inform your product development, marketing, and sales strategies. Embrace innovation. Embracing innovation is crucial for staying ahead of the competition and adapting to changing market conditions. This can involve investing in research and development, exploring new technologies and business models, and fostering a culture of creativity and experimentation within your organization. Build a diverse and flexible team. Building a diverse and flexible team is essential for building a business model that can adapt to changing market conditions and customer needs. This can involve hiring employees with a range of skills and backgrounds, providing ongoing training and development opportunities, and empowering employees to take ownership of their work and contribute to the company's success. Foster a culture of continuous improvement. Fostering a culture of continuous improvement is essential for building a business model that is constantly evolving and improving. This can involve setting clear goals and metrics, regularly evaluating your performance, and implementing changes and optimizations to improve your processes and operations. Develop strategic partnerships. Developing strategic partnerships can help you leverage the strengths and resources of other businesses to build a more dynamic and resilient business model. This can involve partnering with suppliers, distributors, or other businesses in your industry to share resources, knowledge, and expertise, as well as expanding your reach and capabilities. Emphasize agility and flexibility. Emphasizing agility and flexibility is crucial for building a business model that can quickly adapt to changing market conditions and customer needs. This can involve developing a nimble and responsive supply chain, implementing agile project management methodologies, and fostering a culture of experimentation and adaptation within your organization. Use data and analytics to inform your decisions. Using data and analytics to inform your decisions is essential for building a business model that is data-driven and responsive to customer needs and market trends. This can involve collecting and analyzing data on customer behavior, sales trends, and industry benchmarks to identify areas for improvement and inform your strategic decision-making. Leverage technology to optimize your operations. Leveraging technology to optimize your operations is crucial for building a business model that is efficient, scalable, and adaptable. This can involve using software tools for inventory management, order fulfillment, and customer relationship management, as well as exploring emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence and blockchain to drive innovation and efficiency. Continuously monitor and evaluate your performance. Continuously monitoring and evaluating your performance is essential for building a business model that is dynamic and responsive to changing market conditions. This can involve setting clear metrics and benchmarks, regularly reviewing your performance, and implementing changes and optimizations based on your findings. Embrace a growth mindset. Embracing a growth mindset is crucial for building a business model that is constantly evolving and improving. This can involve being open to new ideas and perspectives, embracing challenges and setbacks as learning opportunities, and continuously seeking out ways to grow and improve your business. Stay up to date on industry trends and best practices. Staying up to date on industry trends and best practices is crucial for building a business model that is competitive and innovative. This can involve attending industry conferences and events, reading industry publications and blogs, and networking with other industry